Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been about 2 weeks since the incident and I'm feeling a lot better. Definitely a lot better emotionally. So I have to thank you guys for all of your kind words, comments, tips, tricks. To be honest, I didn't realize so many of us are going through this issue, the same thing, and it just feels refreshing that we can come together on something that other people may not understand, but we understand what our hair means to us. So I have to thank you guys for all of the love that you showed me, and I feel a lot better. I am very hopeful. So many of you guys are going through this and told me that your hair grew back. It happens, it grows back, so I'm very hopeful. I do have an appointment with my doctor next week to see if anything's actually wrong internally, and I'm also seeing a dermatologist to make sure that the follicles are not dead, you know, just covering all the bases. My product junkiism was fully awakened as soon as I saw what happened to my hair. Oh my god, I was like, no. First of all, I'm going back to the basics, and on top of that, I got so many things. Well, not so many. I got some things that are needed, that are well needed to take care of my scalp, take care of my hair. So I'm here to share that with you today. And also some of the products that I've already had that I just really have not been using, but I know I should have. So this is a good wake-up call for me to really get my life together, get my hair together, and take care of it if I want it to grow. So my hair is feeling amazing. This is a nice bend to knot out with my edges nice and protected. No tension. They're feeling good. I'm happy. So this tutorial has been filmed. So don't worry about it. It will be updated as soon as I get around to editing it. But let's get to what this video is about, which is all the products that I went and bought. All right, so the first thing that I got is from the Innate Life. I've shared these products with you guys, I want to say last year. So I got their scalp treatment, their conditioner, and I've also had a little bit left over of their hair mask. So that's what they look like. So the scalp treatment I got is for problematic scalp. So once I took out the frontal and saw how bad my scalp looked, I knew I needed to do something about it. So I got this scalp treatment. This is filled with all kind of juicy goodness. It has shea butter in it. It has neem oil. It has argan oil. Also have castor oil. So all of these things are really, really good for your scalp and your hair. And it's all in a bottle. So this is what I've been using on my scalp. I've been massaging my scalp with this. Speaking of massaging, I've also have this hair scalp massager. I've had this for such a long time, and I really had to dig deep in the basement and find it out of a box. I haven't used it in a while, but I know I used to use it, I want to say 3 years ago, and I made a video on it then too. I had a discount code for it, so hopefully it's still active. If it is, I'll put everything down below so you guys can take advantage if you are interested. Back when I used to use it, I used it when I washed my hair, and you just press this button, it starts vibrating, and you just go around washing your hair and giving yourself a scalp massage at the same time. So now I use it in the shower, but I also use it just after I put on my oils on my scalp at night. I'll go ahead and use this to give myself a nice little scalp massage. Of course, I use my fingers and get in there, and it feels super good to do that. But I find that this also vibrates, so it really gets the blood flowing to my scalp. That would also promote some nice hair growth, and that's what we want. Third thing, of course, some Haitian castor oil. This has been in my hair day in and day out ever since I took out the frontal. We all know the benefits of castor oil. Everybody uses it for the edges. So I've been rubbing it not only on my edges, but also on that little spot, you know, my bald spot, baldiana. I use castor oil all over my hair, to be honest, because I know the benefits are good for my entire head. I don't have to just focus on the bald spot. So I use it all over. I really get in there and massage my scalp with it. And then I follow up with almond oil. So this is almond oil in it. I just put it in a little applicator bottle to make it a little bit easier. But I put this on my hair. So I don't use this on my scalp per se, but since I'm taking care of my scalp, I might as well moisturize my hair. So I go ahead and put this all over my hair while I do my night routine. So one last thing that I got is this hair growth oil. So this one is GS by Sadora. Sadora is another YouTuber on here, and I used to watch her channel a long time ago. Originally, what I wanted to get was the Miracle Drop. I'm sure you guys have seen it all over Instagram, but unfortunately, Miracle Drop was sold out everywhere. I couldn't find it online. And I am pretty sure they sell it in the States, but not here. Plus, shipping was so expensive, so I couldn't get it, but I would have spent the money if I could have found it. I can tell you right now. Anyways, so I ended up going with this one. I have high hopes for it, and it also has a lot of the ingredients that you guys recommended, such as fenugreek. Is that how you say it? Fenugreek, Irish sea moss. It has that in there as well. It has black seed oil, black castor oil. So I mean, I'm getting castor oil from so many of these products, but you know, I can't get enough of it, so might as well get it all over my scalp. It also has lavender oil, sesame oil. It has a bunch of oil in here, so I'm actually quite hopeful that this will work. I've only been using this for a week, so I don't know what it's doing yet, but my edges are nice and moisturized. My hair is nice and moisturized. So that's that. I got this leave-in conditioner, and I think there's some controversies going on around this product. So when I asked you guys on Instagram if I should get it, it was literally split down the middle. 52% said to get it, 48% said not to get it. Apparently they changed the formula on this thing, which I didn't know. The main ingredient ended up being alcohol. Well, I guess the second ingredient is alcohol in this one. But anyways, I don't know. So I ended up getting it anyway. I used just a little bit of it when I did my hair over the weekend because I was just a little nervous. I didn't want to get this for it to dry my hair. So I used just a tad, and then I followed up with my oils. I followed up with shea butter, which I have in this container. And yeah, that's how I did this hairstyle. It's filmed. It should be up soon. Those are the products that I've been using before I get all sidetracked. Those are the products that I've been using right now. I have a few things that I may get that you guys recommended, but I've gotten such an overwhelming amount of responses that I realize I need to calm down, because then if I go and buy so many products, I'm not gonna know what's working, and I only have one head. There's so many products I can use at once. So for now, those are the products that I'm using, and hopefully I see some results. Hopefully I get some growth. I just really want this bald spot to grow back. I don't care if it takes forever, but like, just grow back. Don't leave me bald, okay? I hope that it gives you an idea of what I've been doing. If you are on this journey with me, if you do have some edges that are less than ideal, or you know, like me, you have a few bald spots, let's do this together. Let's support each other. Let's keep each other motivated, because we can do this. I've read so many success stories, so I want to be one of those. Of course, I'll keep you guys updated. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and I will see you in my next video. When I tell you that my hair is so soft, if you don't do anything to your hair at night, you should definitely try to give yourself some nice little massages, because it feels good. And on top of that, let me get that in there. And your hair is just so soft. Like, my hair is so soft right now from all of these oils I've been using. My hair personally really like oils, so I know some people say not to use oils on your bald spot, but I don't know, girl. I don't know if I can just not use oils. I've been using oils my entire life. And I really like the scalp treatment, because it gives me that little tingly feeling, which I feel like it's doing something. It helps with dandruff. It helps with flaky scalp, dry hair. So definitely something that's up my alley, something I need, because you guys saw my scalp. Like, I literally thought about not sharing this footage. I was like, I can't show the world my scalp. My God. And another thing that I got is biotin. So I don't have it here with me, it's at work. I leave it at work because I just take it at work. I got biotin, but I got the little gummies that have biotin in it. Oh, it's actually so bad because I feel like I take way too many. a day. Sometimes I have like 4 of them when you're supposed to have like 2. Hopefully I don't break out. I have been drinking a lot of water though. I do plan on going back to the gym just to be more consistent with it, just to manage my stress. I know for me, the gym is one space I can go and it's just me time, and I manage my stress better that way. And yeah, you know, we're just gonna grow some hair and we're gonna be happy. And if it doesn't grow back, we're gonna have to deal with it. We're gonna have to live with what we did to ourselves. I'm out of here.